Have you ever had the chance to ride a unicycle? You're entirely dependent on the wheel, but this particular model gives you complete control over your riding experience. First, the built-in powerful motor delivers speeds of up to 45 miles per hour and can conquer hills with inclines up to 40 degrees. What's cool is that you can customize almost everything. Adjust the large spiked pedals, slide the built-in top and bottom power pads into the perfect position, and even relax on the built-in cushion seat if you need a break. 8 integrated headlights, along with rear brake and turn signals, make you visible in low-light conditions and predictable on the road. The built-in display provides all the essential information while you're on the go. Finally, charge the vehicle for 4 to 5 hours to cover an impressive 125-mile range. Lifting heavy materials like wood, marble, and glass can be tricky and dangerous for your fingers. This lifter is designed to make your work easier, faster, and safer. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to hold, which is great when lifting up to 375 pounds. When you place the device on the object's surface, the suction cup automatically creates a vacuum. The lifter also triggers the vacuum pump automatically when the suction decreases, which often happens with porous materials. The built-in display shows the pressure and weight, ensuring your hands stay safe. First, you try to cram all your needed items into your backpack. Then you struggle to find the most essential things that always seem to be buried somewhere. This modular backpack will put an end to that constant frustration. It has a shuttle pod at the bottom that swings around to your front in a single motion, giving you access to the top zipper to get your gear. All you need to do is pull the release handle with one hand and swing the pod around with the other. This means you can continue what you're doing, whether it's taking photos, fishing, or scaling a mountain, without having to take the backpack off. It's waterproof and ergonomically friendly to your back, making it the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. Just admit it. It's super handy to have your most needed items right at your fingertips, preferably on your keychain. This key organizer fits up to 10 keys, keeping them neatly arranged and easy to access in a matter of seconds. Can't find the keyhole in the dark? Use the built-in flashlight? Need to open a jar? There's a pry bar for that. Want to tighten a screw? The flathead screwdriver will help. The organizer also includes a bottle opener, a hex wrench, a ruler, a file, and a belt holder. Thanks to its minimalist design, it won't damage your pockets. Does the garden in your backyard resemble a dark forest without a single beam of light? This expandable saw will solve that problem. Its handle contains 4 extendable sections, allowing you to easily adjust the length you need. Even when fully extended to 10 feet, it's still comfortable to use. When not in use, the secure lock keeps the blade in place. For lower branches, there's a smaller removable handsaw. Now your garden will look tidy. When lifting heavy loads, ensuring your back has enough support is crucial. This device will take care of your spine and activate the proper muscles to maintain good posture, reducing the likelihood of back pain or other injuries. Here's how it works. This posture device has 3 points of contact on the spine: upper, middle, and lower. Additionally, a supportive loop maintains the lumbar curve of the lower back. Thanks to this close contact, the device moves with you as you exercise, work, or go about your day. It fits comfortably over your clothes and is flexible, lightweight, and breathable. The fast-drying, moisture-absorbing elastic bands keep your skin dry, and when it needs a refresh, just toss it in the washing machine. Why not wear a piece of cyberpunk art on your wrist? This watch features vintage Nixie tubes beneath sturdy sapphire glass, giving it the look of a post-apocalyptic artifact. Despite its retro appearance, it's packed with the latest technology. For example, it uses a built-in gyro sensor to display the time and conserve power, lighting up when you raise your wrist or press one of the side buttons. And just like your flagship phone, you can charge it wirelessly. As a cherry on top, there's a built-in stopwatch mode to count the seconds before the end of the world. Wish you had a super compact electric screwdriver always nearby? This one fits in the palm of your hand, but don't let its size fool you. The manufacturer claims it's 30% more powerful than other products of the same size. Need to tighten bolts on a desk or chair? No problem. Just select the speed and adjust the pressure on the trigger. All the information is clearly visible on the screen. High speeds require high security, so there's a shark chuck that holds the bits firmly in place. Speaking of which, the package includes a complete set of bits. Finally, the battery is big enough to screw up to 260 screws on a single charge. That's impressive.